Hello, my name is Leech, as you may or may not know. This is 3 Minute Monday, one of the first things I'm going to actually do on this channel that will have some regularity to it. This is all about me teaching you tutorials and stuff. Well, tutorials, you ask me, well, yeah, tutorials about cinematography, editing, maybe animation and sound design if I want to, and if actually you guys want to see it. And today we're doing a small transition tutorial that maybe you know, maybe you don't know, but I'm going to show you a fast and easy way how to do it. First of all, we have to get out of the door and do some capturing of stuff that we need in the tutorial. You can do it with me or you can just watch it and do it afterwards. That's your turn. But first, let's have a drink. To you and to me. Awesome stuff. Now let's get it on. First, the intro. I already dropped both the files into the timeline and unlinked the audio. You can do that by just going up there and unlink it. I cut both of the clips down to the points where I need them so that the transition will work. You now have to select the pen tool and mask around the part where you want the other clip to shine through. So I made a mask around the one I want to change. I then have to use the mask path and the move path tool right there. You can now start animating the mask so that it moves with the object that you want to track or delete in this case. If the mask isn't showing up, you just have to click the mask name up there on the top so that it shows again. Then you go back a bit to the beginning and move those 2 points to where the beginning of the image should shine through. In our case, that's right at the beginning of the clip. It has now made the second point where the mask is now moving with the image. To check that, you can click this button so that it inverts everything, so the mask. Now you put a second clip down below and you can see that I made a small mistake. I did the first image that we recorded in our crop style is a bit too small. I made this in full HD instead of 4K. So I'm just, for the sake of the image, just going to upscale it a bit. Normally you should record it in the right size. So, bloop, just upscaling and that's okay. Now you can see I am searching the point where the second clip should get in. Should be right at the beginning when the object that is our transition point is moving in. So I'm dragging the clip in and it should work right now. There is a small gap between the mask and the second image that is moving. I'm going to fix that. You should also consider, if you go out and shoot such transitions, you should also think about what you're going to do. So if one image is moving to the right, the second image should also be moving to the right, or both in the same direction so that it makes sense. So I'm going to change the small thing that is not working perfect right now. I have to make the mask a bit smaller, so it looks good. Now I'm going to render it. And here's the final rendered clip. I think it looks very good for just a small amount of time that we invested into. So let's get out of the Mac and see you soon. Okay, that actually looks awesome, I have to say. I really thought it's going to take a bit longer, but it was short and sweet. That's how 3 Minute Mondays should go. So if you want to see more of me and my stuff, go down there, click the subscribe button and hit the bell if you want to. I would sincerely say thank you to all who watch this and see you on the next video. I was Leech.